Before COVID, life was pretty full, pretty busy. I worked full-time, and my husband also. We were comfortable and had a nice lifestyle. After COVID, things took an abrupt change. My husband was laid off, and several months later, I was also laid off. My husband, unfortunately, was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease a couple of years ago. It was a devastating diagnosis, but somehow at that time, he was still able to function. Shortly after he was laid off due to COVID, there seemed to be a very definite decline in his condition. My husband was a total extrovert. He was an absolute people person. He was the life of the party. And now he is extremely quiet. He's very serious, withdrawn. It's an unexplainable type of loss. The person is still there and they look the same, but they're a whole different person. Suddenly everything sort of fell into my lap. My husband is not going to be able to work again. He is no longer capable of making decisions or handling any of the finances. I really suddenly overnight became his caregiver. People are wonderfully supportive, able to speak about any of the issues that we deal with as caregivers. It's also so comforting to know that we're there for each other, and it's this very safe place to be able to vent and share stories and emotions. They offered lots of encouragement about how to take care of myself. I know that those are the things that will give me the strength to endure. There were some unpaid medical bills that were adding up. And thanks to a grant from WJCS, I was able to pay some of those bills. It took a lot of pressure off of me. I was advised to get my husband on Medicaid and looking for home health aid so that I can return to work. And through the help of social worker at WJCS, I've been successfully able to do that. I'm not sure what I would have done if I hadn't found WJCS. It really has been such an invaluable resource for me. Say, if there's any thing worth supporting, it is WJCS, because it just fills a gap for people like myself that really, really need help, because the future is so uncertain and it really is scary. So it's been really helpful to have compassionate people in my life.